Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can specifically reply to someone on your messenger while you are texting or messaging. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, go to your Instagram ID. Now click the message icon on top of your right, click here, and now click the person that you want to send the specific reply, click here. Now there are two ways how you can specifically reply to a message. Like this message, I want to specifically reply this message. The first way is to swipe right to this message like this one, and now you can reply to this message. There is another way to specifically reply to this message, that is to hold up this message and you can see the pop-up option, reply, and click that option, and now you can reply to this message as well. So this is the two way you can specifically reply to a message. If this feature is not available on your Instagram, yeah, sometimes it can be a bug on your Instagram application, or you can do two things. The first thing is to update your Instagram application from your Play Store. Another thing, if after updating the problem is still exists, you can write a complaint to Instagram authority. Then I think they will solve this. So that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this, consider subscribing to my channel. See you on next one.